Subscribe my Techie Bro YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.
Hello friends, welcome to my Techie Bro YouTube channel. This is WordPress complete course. And in this video we are going to download WordPress and XAMPP server. So let's get started. First open your browser. And type download WordPress. And hit enter. After that click on first link. Then simply click on download WordPress 4.9.4. This is latest version of WordPress right now. In your case it can be different. Now my WordPress is downloading. Let's move on XAMPP server. Open new tab and search download XAMPP. And hit enter. Open your first link. And simply click on download 32-bit. It will also work on 64-bit. Now as you can see XAMPP is downloading. It will take little bit time because my internet connection is slow. Now we have successfully downloaded WordPress and XAMPP. That's all for this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching this video and I will see you in next video. Goodbye.